Hello and welcome to the lecture of C. Into the last 3 lectures, we have seen while loop, do while loop and for loop. In this lecture, we will see nested for loop. Where this nested for loop is required, whenever we wish to do some process with rows and columns, at that time this nested loop will be required. Here we will print 5 rows and 5 columns with asterisk sign. To count rows and to count columns, we wish individual counter variables. For that, here we have integer I and j. We are using for loop for the same. I equals to 1, I less than 6 and I plus plus. Here I indicates row. And for column, we can write j equals to 1, j less than 6 and j plus plus. Here j is used for column. So this is known as nested for loop. One for loop inside the another for loop. Here printf asterisk sign with space. After one row, we wish to give indication of next line. For that, we have to write /n after inner loop. Let us see the output of the program. Ctrl F9, and here is 5 rows and 5 columns. Thank you.